So this is your pectoralis major, this whole big area there, and pec minor in here. So if you have pain all around this little edge, this area here, it's coming from the back. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a medicine ball right on this top end right here. Well, not a medicine ball, an 8-pound ball, and we're gonna roll straight down this line. So when this hurts all up in here, we're gonna go here for the solution. And I'll show you right now how we're gonna do that. So here's our 8-pound ball. And I'm gonna go right next to my spine at the top of my shoulder. And just right next to where my spine is, I'm gonna come up like this, like a reverse bridge. And I'm gonna put my arm like this and pay attention to where my arm is sitting like this. Then I'm gonna roll forward just a little bit. So that's in a good spot right there. And right away, I feel like a lot of pain there. And you can take your other hand just to support your head a little bit. Now see how my hand and my elbow, see how it's just dropping down on its own? So going to the opposite side, relieving tension there, it's relieving tension on the front of my shoulder. So now I'm gonna go just a little bit more and I'm staying to this outside edge. And I'm moving just like the size of my pinky finger at a time. So I'm just looking for areas where it's tight, where I feel tension, right there. See how my elbow's just falling closer to the mat now? That's because by releasing this area in the back, it's releasing all the tension in the front of my shoulder. So I'm just gonna roll just a little bit more. Oh my God, that's fire right there. See, I just went all the way down. So I started up here and I went down to here in what, 20 seconds? Main thing with this, it's a little bit painful, so you gotta remember to breathe. And that's it for that. So by doing that, releasing that other part, man, my arm just flies. It's just like jello. So this is good for boxers, any kind of MMA. When you're encroached tight in there, this move right here, it's a secret to gold. I would do it for 3 or 4 minutes on each side and call it a day for that one.